Hi viewers, welcome to crickworld.com, the cover point, the review show with the man himself, Chika. Moving on from the Mumbai Indians and the Deccan Chargers game, the next game, the RCB versus KKR. Finally, KKR managed to muster a win, Chika.
Finally, you can say, but they are a good team. In my opinion, they are one of the favorites, dark horses in this particular. I wouldn't like to use the word dark horses. They are one of the favorites in this particular tournament because they have a solid team. Probably again, the batting is still not set. I mean, for them, yes, just like how it's Sachin Tendulkar for Mumbai Indians, it's Gautam Gambhir for KKR. As long as KKR, even in our earlier show, we said that if Gautam Gambhir stays there, because he is the one guy who can play Muttiah Muralidharan very well, and he did it that day. And that is very important. And so, I mean, okay, between you and me, they went in with Descothick instead of probably Brendan McCullum. But I would still go for Brendan McCullum. See, Brendan McCullum, Yusuf Pathan, these kind of cricketers are like this. Out of 10 innings, they'll score probably 3-4 innings. But those 3-4 innings, they'll win matches single-handedly. And you need guys like that. Because you have the guys like Kallis of the world, the Gambhirs of the world to do the sheet anchor roles. In 2020 cricket, you need match winners who can win matches like that. And I think that is where I still feel Brendan McCullum would have been a better choice for Tendon Descothick.
True, there were three changes. Shakib Al Hasan was in, Tendulkar was in.
Shakib Al Hasan is a fine choice. I think that we discussed long back also, and yes, Shakib Al Hasan is a must. Because an all-rounder always plays an important role in 2020 cricket.
True, and finally the third change that they made was Lakshmipathy Balaji, who was the man of the match for his peach of a spell. 4 overs, 18 runs for 4 wickets. He's a Tamil Nadu player. You are also a Tamil Nadu player. Your thoughts on Lakshmipathy Balaji?
I think what happened that day was the ball was swimming around a lot. And Balaji has that, he's got that action. I've always felt that Balaji, when he gets his rhythm, he's a slightly dangerous bowler. This year he's had a decent Ranji Trophy also. So when he got the rhythm right. See, for every fast bowler or any bowler, when he gets a wicket the first 1 or 2 overs, his confidence builds up. In the first 1 or 2 overs, when he gets hit, he's on the back foot, bowler's on the back foot. Here he got a wicket in the very first over. I think that mattered a lot. And in all fairness, RCB also batted very badly. Some of the deliveries were very wicket-taking deliveries. And again, RCB batting, if you see, they are too dependent on Chris Gayle. Man, someday or the other, Chris Gayle has to fail. And that's what happened that day. And I think Virat Kohli has to take up the responsibility. You can't expect De Villiers to keep on performing all the time. So again, it is a question of the top 3-4. See, the top 4 people, 2020 cricket, let's face it, my dear viewers and friends. How many overs do you have? 20 overs. The top 4 will obviously play minimum 12 to 15 overs on a normal time, normal game. So if the top 3 or 4 are not able to get 5, 6 and 7 cannot do much. Yes, 5, 6 and 7 have mattered a lot in so many games. I'm not saying no. But generally, it's 1, 2, 3, 4 who matter a lot. I think if the 1, 2, 3, 4 fail, then you have a problem. And that's what happened to RCB.
True, the only positive that I can see of the entire game was while they were bowling, they just gave 42 runs in the last 7 overs and restricted the KKR score to 162 when they were looking at nearly 200 runs.
See, that is again because of thanks to a guy like Shakib Al Hasan who did well. And then Brett Lee also got a good spell. Don't forget, by the time the last few overs came, they had lost so many wickets. See, when you lose 6, 7 wickets by the 15th over or something like that, what can you do? Or I think they lost 6, 7 wickets by the 12th or 13th over itself. So they are straight away on the back foot. So the worry is, the dilemma is whether to play the 20 overs or hit out or get out in 17 overs. So they preferred probably going for the 20 overs. And that's why they couldn't get runs.
True. Finally, after 3 games, KKR managed to muster a point, a much-needed victory. Straight from Chika's heart. Thanks a lot, Chika, for your time. Hope to catch you viewers on yet another episode of Crickworld's Cover Point. See you soon.